Have you ever experienced those nights you lie in bed, completely exhausted from a long day, yet your mind is racing like an unstoppable machine, replaying anxieties, lingering to-do lists, and uncertainties about the future? We often spend so much time searching outward of answers, forgetting that the most powerful tuning fork is already part of our own bodies. Tonight, before you close your eyes, set aside just 5 minutes to grant your soul a profound, energetic reset. It requires no complex rituals, expensive tools, just a simple, intentional movement. The buy time hand clasp ritual is more than just a physical gesture. It's a scared invasion to your subconscious mind, allowing you to fully receive the infinite nourishment and manifestation energy of the universe within the dimension of your dreams. Why the clasped hands? In ancient wisdom and modern somatic practice, our hands are the most sensitive antennae of the body. The fingertips are directly connect to the heart meridian, and the palms serve as a major crossroad for energy and the nervous system communication. When you tightly clasp your hands before sleep, you essentially activating 3 levels of energetic tuning. The energy circuit. Clasping your hands seals your personal energy field. It brings back the energy that was scattered and drained throughout the day, creating a self-sustaining microcosm that shields you from external noise. The physical anchor. Through the deliberate sequences of tensing and fully relaxing your muscles, you signal your nervous system that it's absolutely safe to let go, triggering a deep relaxation response, a subconscious command. This ritualistic gesture acts as a physical command to your subconscious, declaring, "I'm ready to receive higher wisdom, peace, and abundance." The step-by-step cosmic connection guide. Lie down in your bed and find your most comfortable posture. Dim the lights, letting the room soften into a gentle stillness. Establish the connection. Bring your hands together. Interlace your fingers and clasp them tightly. Feel the warmth of palm against palm. Apply a steady pressure through your necklace. Mentally or softly whisper, "In this moment, I call all my scarred energy back to myself, accumulate and resonate." Take a deep, slow breath in. As you exhale, squeeze your hands even tighter, allowing the tension to travel slightly up your forearms and shoulders. Hold this tight grasp and hold your breath for 3 to 5 seconds. Imagine you are gathering all the day's stress, overthinking, and fatigue into this single, compressed focal point. Total surrender. Exhale slowly and completely. The moment you breathe out, instantly and fully release your grip. Do not force your hands apart. Simply let your fingers loosen completely, allowing your hand to rest naturally and gently over your abdomen or your chest. In that moment, feel the subtle electric wave of relaxation flowing from the tightness to absolute softness. This is your body clearing its mental cache to it to manifest. Keep your hands beautifully relaxed and close your eyes. Imagine a gentle pure light, golden silvery white, shining above your head or resting in your palms. This is abundant energy of the universe, always present, always giving. As you drift close to sleep, visualize your deepest desire or the state of being you crave as a simple image in your mind. Do not worry about how it will happen. Simply embody the joy of already having it. Dreams, the universe alchemy lab. Many people view sleep as a mere physical rest. However, in the law of the subconscious manifestation, the dream state is the bridge connecting the individual mind to the cosmic connective unconscious. When you slide into sleep, anchored by the profound relaxation of the hand clasp ritual, your analytical, critical mind steps aside. The universe's wisdom can then seamlessly integrate into your being, translating into morning inspiration, shaped intuition, and a deep cellular restoration. You migrate the morning with a real, grounded sense of confidence. You will find the chaos of the world no longer shakes your crown. Tonight, stop streaming, stop searching outside yourself. Hold your hands tight. It's the deepest embrace you can offer yourself. Let your hands relax as your ultimate act of trust in the universe. Close your eyes and allow yourself be created by the cosmic. May your dreams tonight be filled with infinite love and energy, meant just for you. Good night.